guys, welcome back to my channel. So as promised in my previous video, I was gonna show you guys how I lay my lace frontal wigs. So that's the video that we'll be doing today. So if you guys are interested in that, please stick around. If you're new here, welcome. To all my oldies but goodies, welcome. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. So I'm wearing a coffee stocking cap and my hair is braided back. So the first thing I'm going to do is to take my cotton pad with some alcohol and I'm just gonna clean around the edges of my hairline. Then I'm going to be applying the glue. So the glue I'll be using today is Bold Hold, and we've all seen this all over Instagram, but this is my first time trying this glue. I will not be wearing the wig for no longer than 2 days, so I'm not going to be applying a lot of glue. I only need a tiny amount. And you have to try and move as fast as possible because I heard that this glue dries pretty fast. So now I'm just going in with a tail comb and I'm just gonna spread the glue just a little bit. And we know it's dry and ready when the glue dries clear. Okay. So this is her. I've already showed you guys how I achieve the color. So I'm brushing the hair back because I don't want it to get caught up in the glue. And then I'm just going to use my clip to pin up and hold this back. Doing the same thing to the other side. So now the glue is clear. I'm gonna go ahead to apply the lace. I'm starting with the middle. I'm just gonna pull this forward. I'm gonna hold it right there just for a couple seconds, and that is hold. Then I'm gonna do the other side. Then we're going to take down the other side. So as you can see, this, I have a little space right here, so I'm just going to apply a little bit more glue, but that's no problem. It will happen sometime. And the same thing on this side as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and reapply. I'm sorry. So I'm just going to go ahead and reapply some glue. I'm just going to go like this. Only a small amount. And we allow that to dry before we put the lace back on. And we're going to do the same thing for this side as well. So that was quick and easy. Now I'm just brushing the hair back. And I'm going to use my scarf to tie it down for about 10 minutes. So 10 minutes later, I'm removing the scarf from around the hair. And this is the moment of truth. Not bad. Oh my god, you guys. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Okay, not bad at all. So for those who like the baby hair, I guess now is the time that you could go ahead and do all of that, but I really don't like it. I do not wear it in my hair, so I'm not going to do that. I'm just gonna now use my flat iron and run through the hair. But first, I'm gonna apply a pea size of argan oil. Just that amount. I'm gonna apply that all over the hair. So now I'm just gonna section the hair in two. I'm gonna pin this side up. And I'm gonna start by flat ironing on this side. And this is the end result, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love it. I am so impressed with myself. I think I did a great job. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. And I'll see you in my next slay.